Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Well, I had to make this video real quick, guys, because today in the mail I got this box. I'm covering up my address from Carrera Slots. I am so excited to show you what's in here. There are two things in here, and one of them I have been waiting for to come into stock for months since I saw it first shown way back when from Carrera's little sneak peeks of what's going to be coming out in 2024. So normally I would open this box up in front of everybody on the channel, and I had to open it up this time just because, well, it showed up with this big old gouge inside. I just wanted to make sure that nothing was damaged inside. But that's as far as I've gone. I have not taken anything out of this box yet, and trust me, guys, it's killing me. As a matter of fact, it's a Friday night. It's like 8 o'clock at night. I should be downstairs watching a movie with my wife, but you know, I got something from Carrera Slots, and I gotta play with it, right? So let's head over to the track. Let's open this box up completely. I'll show you what I got. Now I'm gonna open this thing really quick. Watch. How slick was that? Nah, I can't fool you guys. I already told you I opened this box up. So let's open her up real quick. Come on, let's get to it. And there's packaging. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. No, I'm kidding. Get that out of the way. And we have a couple things in here. We have a little note. Thank you, Tim. Dude, or guys, folks, whoever's watching this, I absolutely love this. I've mentioned it before. This is a mom and pop shop, Carrera Slots in Minnesota. And, you know, the personal touch, you gotta love it. So, what do I have? Well, I needed this because I'm creating something pretty awesome for my track. I needed one, I can get them out, 2, 3 track pit stop extensions, because I'll show you in a minute. I have changed my track ever so slightly because I'm building something super epic for this track as far as a pit garage goes. So we have those to put on the track. We'll get those on here in just a minute. But the most important thing that I have that I've been waiting on forever is in this box right here. And I mean, come on, it's got, you know, German written all over it. It's got to be something good, right? I'm not going to show you what it is just yet. Let's get the track extension pieces put together first. Let's zoom in or out, and then I'll show you what's in this box. But don't you hate when people do that to you? I know I do, but I'm doing it to you anyways. Okay, the moment I have been waiting for. What's in this box? I'll give you a hint. If you follow my channel at all, you know that it's one of my favorite liveries ever made, and well, it's, you know, orange and blue. You know what it is. As a matter of fact, you've seen a thumbnail, you know exactly what it is. Who am I kidding? Let's open up and take a look at her anyways. Oh, nothing like a new slot car day. And she was upside down. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I can see it. I see it poking through. Oh, okay, guys. You ready? Oh, would you look? Yes. My word. It is the Porsche 911 RSR Gulf Racing Livery, Silverstone 2018. Look at that car. All right, let's get it out. Now, I love how they seal these up so you know they're brand new and stuff. I do wish that Carrera would make these jewel cases like snap back in, because you know I keep my cars in the cases, and when I move them around, pick them up, I invariably always just grab the lid sometimes, and well, don't get the whole car. And it's easy to drop them that way. Oh, get out of here, plastic. Oh my goodness gracious. Would you look at that? And as you can see, this is Factory Digital 132. More on that in just a minute. All right, let's get her off the base. Now we have her off the base. Let's take a closer gander. Man, oh man, oh man. This video just does not do this paint job justice. This thing is perfect. Oh, and the wheels, they actually roll really smooth this time from Carrera. That's nice. You get your little driver figure inside. Man, look at this thing. Okay, it's going to get driven, but it's going to be driven carefully because look at all the little antennas. All right, let's start up the track, code the car, and take it for a spin. Well, what do you guys think about this thing? It is just absolutely stunning. I'm like a kid at Christmas. I've been waiting for this car for so long to come out for me to be able to purchase, and I finally have it in my hands. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Now, I had mentioned when I was unboxing this car that this was a true factory-made Carrera 132 Digital. Why is that important, if you will? Well, this car is European release only. Supposed to be, anyhow. But my friends at Carrera Slots in Minnesota have some of these cars. That's where I got this one from. I was able to pre-order it and it came in. And as of the time of me filming this video, I'm looking at the computer right now and they still have them in stock. Now, most of the cars usually run right around $49.99 or $49.99 for their standard Carrera stock cars. This one, however, is $79.99. But before I did this video, I did a little research, and I have found these cars on the eBays for over $200 because they're supposed to be European release only. If you want to get your hands on one of these cars, I suggest you don't waste any time. Don't think about it. Just go do it. I will put a link in the description below to their website. It is CarreraSlots.com. Super easy. And you know what? I love those guys over there. It is a mom and pop, brick and mortar, family owned shop. They have the best prices I have found anywhere for Carrera products. Even Scalextric products, they sell those as well too. They are dealers of both Scalextric and Carrera. Great prices, great customer service. You know, I talked to Nadia, I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, the other day when I ordered this track because I had this stuff on pre-order. I said, hey, do you mind throwing that track in on my pre-order to save me in shipping? And you know what? They checked out my order and said, hey, some of their stuff's in here. Why don't we just get it out to you right now? I'm like, hey, that's awesome. I mean, you can't beat that for customer service. They answer the phone and there's somebody there. You're not talking to a computer, but you're talking to a human being in Minnesota in a store that's selling awesome products for an awesome price. So again, guys, this is a European only release digital. Yes, you can get this in analog and you could buy a digital chip and convert it. It'd be just about the same price if you went that route, but you're not getting the original factory made digital 132. So again, if you really want this, go get it. And no, they're not paying me to tell you this. I am not affiliated with them at all, other than the fact I just really enjoyed talking to them and working with them and buying from them. They're a great bunch of people up there in Minnesota. Again, awesome, awesome, awesome car. I cannot wait to get my track finished, get some guardrails up. I'll put down some actual times on this car. As you saw, my track kind of got reconstructed a little bit for a future expansion that I'm working on. and I don't have my guardrails on my second level, so I'm a little leery about pushing this car too hard, even though I did flip it on its side already twice. Enough said. Guys, if you want this car, go get it. And as always, folks, thank you for spending your time with me. God bless, take care, and I'll see you next time.